Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I want to sincerely appreciate you for always coming back to watch our beautiful videos. Yeah, if you're new here, you're so welcome. And this is Grace Adelego, a mom of three based in the United States. So today we are taking you on a grocery shopping, yeah, for the family. My husband is available this day, so it's always a day we go for shopping. If we see that we need some things at home for the next 2 weeks, we make the shopping because it's so busy right now. It's really busy. So, and you guys know I have two kids under 2. Yeah, my second baby just turned 6 months, and my first baby is still on that too, guys. So whenever my husband is available like this, we go for groceries together. So on this particular day, as you can see, we are stocking up for fruits and vegetables. And this store, those people living in New Hampshire, Manchester precisely, this is Market Basket. That's the logo you see, and they have a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits. This is one of the reasons I love buying fresh vegetables here. Yeah, so we are done shopping and we are going back home. Can you guys see the beautiful trees? This is one of the season I love in the United States. Why? Because of the colors of the trees pop out differently. As you can see now, it's bringing out different beautiful colors. And let me know in the comment section if you love this view, if you love this beautiful colors. I love four colors, like, and now it's beginning to fall down. All the trees are coming down because we are going to winter now, and you can see those beautiful trees I'm showing you guys on our way back home. So guys, please don't forget to like this video, and to my new subscribers, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post new video. So I'm a lifestyle vlogger. I vlog about my family, everything interesting, cooking. I love cooking and everything in between. So enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, can you see that before I go? All right, guys, see you. And let me know what you love about these trees. And we are back home now. Membership is on, guys. This is another way to support the channel. Join my membership. Yeah, I have a lot of things to do with this revenue coming from the membership. I want to help the less privileged back in Africa. Yeah, this is a way you can support me to do this, to carry out this mission. So you'll be hearing some background noise. Sorry about that. Yeah, you guys, I carried you along grocery shopping just to show you the store. Things are so expensive now, and this is the period of pumpkin. So I got pumpkin. I'm going to make a recipe for you guys. This thing is really good. The minion just woke up. You guys, come and say hello. Come and say hello. So yeah, to help my returning subscribers, I need to say welcome back again. Thank you for always supporting us. So I have a lot to do this weekend. Today is a Thursday. We are going for stocking up the house. I've never carried you guys so long. I will stock up for winter, for a long period. Let me just say for winter and a long period. So I will be defrosing the freezer now. I want to turn off the I'm going to put out the in English. Oh my god, I need to turn off the freezer so that the freezer can defrost. Yeah, and I'm planning to bring, I have 2 deep freezer. I'm planning to bring one to this dining space. The one I'm talking about is downstairs. You want food? So I'm going to bring that upstairs for my bulk cooking, and I will bring out the old stuff in the freezer because I want to stock it up for winter. So this is the way I prep my fruit and vegetables down now. Even I cook in bulk. So one thing I also find out about watermelon prepping, Whenever I prep it like this and I put it into this plate you are seeing, I just put it inside the fridge for the next 1 week. It's so good, and whenever we want it, we pick it up. And I also discovered that the watermelon retain the taste and it's not soggy. You guys should try this tip out. Yeah, it's so fresh. For the next 1 week, it's going to remain like this. So this is one hack that I found out. Yeah, so right now we are very busy in the family. Like, my husband is so busy and I'm busy right now. You know, guys, I have 2 kids under 2 years. When my older kids is in school, I'm always busy now. I just got into this new business that keeps me very busy these days, and I'm trying to study to be a professional, because in this new business, which I'm going to carry you guys along later, you have to get a license to become a professional, and for you to make more money in this new business. The new business is making more sense. Like, so you can see, guys, I've already prepped it down and I'm going to put it inside the fridge, and guys, you can try it out. After the groceries yesterday, I was so tired, but I just tried to prep something down, which I couldn't do everything because, you know, guys, I was alone with the kids. So today I'm going to start from where I stopped. The watermelon we bought yesterday, I prepped it, and I was about prepping the vegetables. I couldn't, but today we start from where we stopped yesterday. Prep this ones, put this ones there. I'm going to get some things rather from Timo. Yeah, guys, I have, and I wish I would do a separate video about that. So my fruits, I bought pumpkin, guys. I bought pumpkin. I have a recipe on that which I will show you guys, and ignore these stuffs. So these are the things I did here yesterday, and I'm also washing the dishes. I'm almost done. These are trash. We don't use the regular trash because we have little kids, they will just be dragging it. So I'm washing dishes, and I will cook. So I'm going to cook later today, which I will carry you guys along. Guys, but cooking has been helping me a lot. Before, I was in this school of thought that you have to eat fresh food daily, cooking fresh food daily, because I was brought up that way, and my husband too, he loves fresh meal. But guys, I've been putting food inside the freezer, and it's been helping me in this home. The last time I bought native jollof rice, it was so good. I put it inside the fridge. We almost finished it now, and I've already did some other things inside the fridge, like fruits. I have smoothie, so that's how I've been doing it. And I don't do much. Like this morning, I will took smoothie. I will look for something to eat now. Yeah, so I have an unboxing to do from Timo. This one is not free. I got it with my own money. So look forward for the video. I'll do a separate video when I put the baby down. So I'm going to do a separate video of that. Yeah, and I will review the products with you guys. So I will see you later. I just thought to start, and the weather is really good, guys. It's cool. That's the backyard. Can you see those flowers there? That's a backyard. The plant is turning into a different color now. It was green before. You see the color? That is fall for us, and we're going to winter now, and very soon you see this leaf, it will fall down, everything, and the whole compound will be filled up with a leaf, and that's another job on its own. So guys, I will see you later. I have the baby at my back, so cooking since morning and I couldn't carry you guys along. My family was using my phone to call my parents in Nigeria, my husband and the kids. Is going on here. Everywhere is in a mess, guys. So I'm going to pour this now into this to blend for the jollof rice. My kids, sometimes they don't like to see anything in their rice, so I'll just blend this for them and cook. So my onions, and there is air fried chicken and some other meats. I'm still doing some here. This is what I am up to, guys, and this is the base for the F4, but I'm not done yet. Pot for my rice just to carry you guys along, and I'm already setting some plates to put the stuff for the freezer. So that's it, guys. I will soon join the church also. Everywhere is just in a mess. Yeah, that's what I'm up to. So fams, I'm done with the cooking. I will dish it now into the plate to put inside the freezer. Yeah, I know. So I'm going to dish it now. Oh, this has been a very good one for me. Like I said, it's been saving me now from too much of stress of cooking every day. So farms, this is what I'm able to do. I'm going to put everything inside the freezer. I want it to cool now. So that's it, guys. And see these things I used. See, it's dark outside. It's really dark. It's around you see, 7:35. 7:35. So these are the things I used. This is the place. Yeah, I'm going to clean up tomorrow. I can't do anything again. I'm so tired just for me to take my bath and sleep. I did a lot today. It was a productive day. Yeah, so maybe tomorrow I'll cook another soup, ogbono, and maybe illa okra soup. So, and probably spaghetti, just to have varieties inside the fridge. And on probably Monday I'll cook beans, then put inside the freezer. Then I will be all set for the next 2 weeks, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.